description.
All right, we got another one here to go in the microwave. This is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got Assi brand Rapokki, which is a combination of ramen and tteokbokki. And this is Jjajang. So like a black bean sauce one. So the last time I made one of these, it was the more standard, which is like a spicy sweet sauce. Well, this one's a black bean sauce. Interesting. So let's get started. The last time I made one of these, it got done, but it's like, boy, it really could have used more liquid. Let me look here. Is there like an order? Put rice cake, ramen, and seasoning powder, and then fill the line. Yeah, it's like, it almost seems like you should put the rice cake. I'll do the rice cake. Because it's supposed to be 150 mils. And that's fine, but it just doesn't get saucy enough, and it should be saucy. It should be nicely saucy. So if you're not an instant noodle reviewer providing an even playing field to all the companies when you're like me and you do everything as close to, or if I try to review everything exactly as it says to cook it, right? If you're like a standard user, then knock yourself out. I would say do it just above the fill line. But hopefully I've got, and it's like, oh, we don't want that in there. As it says on the thing, do not eat. So, man, it's a pain to find that line. Here, we'll rotate view. There's the line. We have just enough water. Perfect. Okay. Put the noodle block back in there. Rest the lid lightly on top. And how long do we do this here? 2.5? 3.5. All right. Let's bring this over to the microwave for 3.5 minutes. All right. All right. And engage. So there we go. Man, I got to take the trash out. That's the thing I do. So we use this app. I heard it advertised on the David Pakman show, and that was a long time ago. But it's called Paired, and it asks you like relationship questions, like if you could go back to the beginning of your relationship, what's something you would tell yourself? Or is there something kinky or weird you want to do that you wouldn't like normally ask? It's like, it's funny how often our answers are identical. Like for that last one, it's just like if we wanted to do something kinky or weird, we would just like say it. We're pretty open with each other on everything, you know. But where was I going with this? I was going with it for some reason. Anyways, it's fun. It's called Paired. They have a paid version. The free version, you get a question a prompt every day. And it's nice. It's nice. But it's so funny how often our answers are identical. And Got a brain worm. I must have a brain worm because I can't even remember. It's like I've noticed lately. I'll be like, where was I going with this? I don't remember where I was going with this. So maybe I'm going crazy. I don't think so though. But I will say that the letter R on my keyboard seems to be repeating itself a lot lately. And I read something about how somebody was complaining about that. Not to me, but that their keyboard. I've got a Razer Black Widow 4 Pro. I love that keyboard. But if they came out with new software and it causes the R to tweak out, I'm going to be pissed. I've got all my macros set up just like I like them. I even got a breakout pad for more macros. I should show you that thing. Have I shown you that thing? Come on, I'll show you. It's like a little trip in that guy, Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. Yeah, check this thing out. I've got macros on it. So like, see, there's noodle block, noodle block, seasoning, vegetable, liquid soup base. So I just like tap on one of those and it does stuff. And the ones on the bottom, those are all AI things that I run. We've got Balatro, stuff like that. Yeah. We've got our magical light. The sun is coming out. I don't know how much I'm thrilled about that, but it's thrilled. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, for God's sake. Wow. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm not thrilled. Look at that. That doesn't look good. I think it like totally overtopped. I did it the way it told me to. Oh yeah, it did its deal. Okay, so I'm putting a towel over here. This blows. So, yeah. So I ran that at 70%. And 70% actually is just slightly below 1,000 watts. I used room temp water as it required. But this is a problem. This is the kind of thing that makes me very, very irritated. Because there's no reason that this should have happened. None at all. The water level's way down here. And the last time I did it, it didn't do that. So I don't get it. I'm not buying another one. So here is our poor Duck Bucky missing out on the goodness of sauce because it's all over the bottom of the microwave. But here it is. Let's give it a try. It's okay. It's not it's not making me want to have another bite, so it's really not okay. That's a bummer, because I'm a huge fan of Duck Bucky and Rapokki, and this one is just not doing it for me. Like, really not doing it for me. Plus, you know, exploding in the microwave, that puts a bad taste in my mouth. Look at that. Whoa. Actually, yeah. There's the blast pattern. It looks saucier than I expected, though. Ugh, what a mess. Here, Go this way a little bit. Not the whole thing, just the sauce. Come on. Get with the program, Stinky. Gotta coax you a little bit. It's surprisingly sweet. It's also gritty. And I've had the Jjajang stuff that's been gritty before. Not really my favorite thing in the world. At least we're done with our eggs. I gotta get more eggs tonight. Boy, I sure got a lot of dishes to do. I even got a... At least the bottom of the microwave, the glass thing, will fit in the dishwasher, so that's fine. But man, that's a letdown. I really expect these things to work out. Is it user error? No. Not so much. I've had varieties that companies have come out with that I follow to the letter, and the directions are just crap. Although the last one was the opposite problem. So, we need a happy medium. I think we're good. I don't think we need to add anything more. The Rapokki came out very nice. It was definitely done, whereas the last time I did it wasn't. Maybe I did it at 60% last time. But exploding in the microwave, that's crap. I don't like that. I am very, very irritated about that. So anyways, there you go. Well, that's it for me. There'll be another episode coming up tomorrow. Yeah. Sadness. Great sadness. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye. Right?